Your front door is more than just an entry point into your home. It's a vital part of your home's overall aesthetic, energy efficiency, and security. Over time, however, doors can begin to show signs of wear and tear, leaving you wondering if it's time for a replacement. If you're a homeowner in Houston, you need to consider several factors before making this decision. From the city's unique climate to the door's overall functionality, here's a guide to help you determine whether it's time to replace the doors in your Houston home. Age of the door. One of the most obvious indicators that it might be time for a door replacement is its age. Wooden doors, for example, typically last 20 to 30 years with proper care, but they can show signs of wear much earlier due to the intense Houston heat and humidity. Steel doors and fiberglass doors may last longer but still require attention every couple of decades. If your door is showing visible signs of aging or has become difficult to open and close, it's worth considering a replacement. Weather damage and Houston's humidity. Houston's humid subtropical climate is known for its hot summers, heavy rainfall, and high humidity levels. These conditions can be hard on doors, especially wooden ones. Excess moisture can cause warping, swelling, or rotting, leaving your door vulnerable to drafts and pests. In some cases, a door might develop mold or mildew, which not only looks unattractive but can also lead to health issues in your home. If your door shows signs of water damage, such as discoloration, warping, or cracking, it may be time for a replacement to prevent further damage to your home. Energy efficiency. A key function of your door is to help insulate your home, keeping the heat out during the summer and the cold air inside during the winter. If your door is old or damaged, it can create gaps and leaks, letting conditioned air escape. This can result in higher energy bills, as your HVAC system works harder to maintain the desired temperature. Replacing an old door with a more energy-efficient model can help lower your energy consumption and costs while making your home more comfortable year-round. Security concerns. The security of your home should always be a priority, and an old or damaged door can compromise that. If your door is dented, cracked, or doesn't close properly, it may be easier for intruders to break in. Many newer doors come equipped with advanced locking systems, offering better security than older models. If you're concerned about the safety of your home or the integrity of your door, a replacement can give you peace of mind and ensure your home is secure. Curb appeal and aesthetic upgrade. Your front door plays a major role in the first impression people have of your home. Over time, your door's appearance may begin to fade or become outdated. A fresh, modern door can dramatically enhance your home's curb appeal and make it more attractive to potential buyers if you plan to sell. Whether you're looking for something classic, contemporary, or custom designed, a new door can completely transform the look of your home. Functionality issue. Sometimes, the issue with your door isn't related to aesthetics or weather but its functionality. A door that sticks, squeaks, or fails to close properly can be frustrating, especially if it impacts your daily routine. Whether it's an issue with the hinges, the locking mechanism, or the door frame, A door that no longer functions well can be a safety hazard and cause unnecessary stress. If repairs aren't solving the issue, or if the door's problems continue to worsen, replacement may be the most cost-effective solution. Increased maintenance costs. If you find yourself spending more time and money on maintenance, whether it's frequent painting, staining, or repairs, it might be a sign that your door has reached the end of its lifespan. Constant upkeep can be time-consuming and expensive. A new door will not only save you from regular repairs but can also improve your home's energy efficiency, security, and appearance. Conclusion: deciding whether to replace the doors in your Houston home is a decision that should be based on a variety of factors, including the age of your door, signs of damage from the city's humid climate, security, energy efficiency, and the aesthetics of your home. If you've noticed any of these warning signs, it's worth consulting with a professional to determine the best course of action. Investing in a new door can not only enhance your home's functionality but also add value, security, and curb appeal. So, if your door is showing signs of wear, it might just be the right time to make an upgrade.